Electrorack Enclosure Products of Anaheim, California proudly presents CoolCirc-IT, the IT manager's answer to rack-level, high-density containment cooling. The CoolCirc-IT unit, which does not consume floor space, includes a chassis, redundant fan modules, and a network interface module, and sits atop individual enclosures. Modular ducts, which can be made to any height, are situated on top of the units to direct airflow. The rack maintains a zero-pressure state to prevent leakage, and the system's feedback gives users the ability to provision equipment at the rack level based on that rack's existing load, saving time while reducing the risk of equipment failure. The pressure-controlled units utilize a pressure sensor located at the back of the rack to control the required air volume necessary to cool the equipment. CoolCirc-IT units, which do not require additional piping or mechanical systems to install or maintain, dynamically scale airflow to match the cooling load of the equipment in the rack. By isolating the supply from the return air, total separation is achieved, allowing CRAC units to operate at maximum efficiencies. This active rack containment cooling method is scalable to 30 kW per enclosure. Addressing the green-focused facility, users can reduce energy consumption by raising supply air temperature to upper ASHRAE limits. The total separation of supply and return air allows higher supply air temps, which allows for chilled water temps to be raised, saving additional energy on operating costs. CoolCirc-IT is compatible with most users' existing infrastructure and can be deployed in environments with raised floors or alternatively in slab environments. For new build-outs, costs can be reduced by eliminating the need for a raised floor. And since there is no mixing of cold and hot air, the entire space becomes a cold air delivery zone, making it unnecessary to continually move floor tiles to correctly position supply air. With CoolCirc-IT, the two fan modules are fully redundant and hot swappable, and operate at the same speed under normal conditions. However, CoolCirc-IT is an intelligent cooling system, so if a fan fails, the remaining fan module increases its speed automatically to handle the load until another module can be installed. Each fan module has a display showing the current operating capacity. Status indicator lights offer quick visual identification of system operating status. As its core, CoolCirc-IT's networking module is used to control the system. Each module has software pre-installed, so there is nothing to load on a server. The module allows IP access via Ethernet, so users can perform real-time cooling capacity assessments to effectively manage equipment adds, moves, and changes. Email alerts are sent when conditions fall outside of the user-defined SNMP trap thresholds for temperature, humidity, and capacity. The network module comes with dual power inputs for redundancy as well. The on-screen user interface allows users to track real-time information and log data, including cooling load, system return temperatures, humidity, and alarms to make informed operational decisions. Users also have the ability to know the CFM in every rack and can aggregate this information to determine how much air is required from the CRAC units, drawing only the amount of air needed to cool the equipment while eliminating over-provisioning. The resulting reduction in fan speed reduces energy and therefore contributes to additional savings. Additionally, CoolCirc-IT can attach to most racks and can communicate with existing management software, so it can be deployed without disrupting operations. In summary, CoolCirc-IT is a pressure-controlled, active, high-density heat containment system that dynamically adjusts air volume to maintain zero pressure in each rack. It's IP addressable with user-defined SNMP traps and alarm thresholds, and is fully redundant with hot swappable fan modules and dual power inputs. The units are scalable to 30 kW and work to maximize capacity of existing cooling infrastructure. No water or piping infrastructure is needed to install or maintain, and the units prevent hot exhaust and cold supply air from mixing. If you want to achieve up to 100% utilization of your cooling infrastructure, try CoolCirc-IT and chill, literally.